Hi, everybody. Welcome to day 6 of my self-imposed 30 days Raise My Vibration Challenge. I am loving everybody that's participating, everybody that's showing their love and their support and asking questions and also doing stuff to raise their vibration. So if you are one of them, awesome. I love you. And if you are not one of them, it's not too late to join. So for this 30-day challenge, I am recording a video where I am asking myself every day, how can I serve more? How can I serve better? What more can I do for my fans, for my community? And I was thinking, if I already am reading books and I'm already making a review about the book, then how valuable would it be if I read each chapter out loud and then just shared the audios of reading the book with my Patreon community, with the members of my Soulutions community, so that I can give them even more value in the same community than I'm already giving. And so this means that they don't only have daily inspiration and meditations and yoga videos and studying the gene keys, depending on what level you have, but that you also get access to audio files of books that are really going to help you sort yourself out, learn new things about yourself. I, for one, enjoy really listening to books and when they are being read. This is my cat, Lottie, and I love listening to them when I'm walking in nature. So I thought, since Patreon also has an app, that it would be incredibly valuable to start reading these chapters and sharing them with my community. If you're not a member of the Soulutions community, then you can go to www.patreon.com/Soulutions, so Solutions of the Soul. I'll make sure the link is below this video. And you can join us. There are many levels in which you can join, of course, also with its own set of benefits. And yeah, I would love to welcome you into this community. For right now, thank you for watching. Thank you for showing your support. And until next time.